Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore AWS Transfer Family users using CloudTrail audit, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore AWS Transfer Family users using CloudTrail audit, first log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudTrail Service dashboard. In the left sidebar, select Event History to view all recorded events. Use the filter options to specify the time range when the user was deleted. In the search bar, type delete user to narrow down the events focused on user deletion. Locate the event related to the deletion of the specific AWS Transfer Family user. Click on the event to view its details, including the username and event time. Open the AWS Transfer Family service in a new tab. Select the relevant transfer server associated with the deleted user. In the transfer server settings, select users to view the current user list. Click on Create User to initiate the restoration process. Enter the previously noted user information such as username and configure the authentication settings. Ensure to set the permissions to match those previously assigned to the user. Review the settings to confirm everything is accurate. Finally, click Create to restore the user to your AWS Transfer Family setup. Check the user list again to confirm the user is now active. This completes the process for restoring AWS Transfer Family users using CloudTrail audit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.